audience are parents, because parents know better what the bad things social media can cause. Parents need to know that OSEC are serious crime where children are abused via the internet and other digital media. And our specific aspects is to prevent OSEC to children's. Protect their children and keep they away communicating through social media, and parents must watch of their children from using social media. Our tone are serious but not fear, including and informative to make our audience seriously so that they can apply to themselves what message we want to convey for the safety of themselves and their children. And here's the important consideration. Here's our important considerations. First, use trauma-informed language that respects survivors. Second, focus on empowerment and actionable steps. And lastly, ensure content is appropriate for general audience.
The online sexual abuse and exploitation of the children, OSEC, is the abuse of children using the internet. In this crime, children are abused by traffickers who spread or sell image or video of the abuse online. This includes creating, possessing, or distributing child abuse material. Chisam is any visual depiction of sexual activity involving a minor. How does OSEC happen? Obtaining image or videos, sharing Chisam online, perpetuating of the problem. Even if the image are removed from a site, there is no guarantee that will not spread further. It has a lifelong impact on victim.
Online sexual exploitation of children is an abuse where a child is forced or coerced and paid to do obscene activities online. This might have happened inside the home using a cell phone camera and the internet. In the Philippines, OSEC cases have increased because it is easy to access the internet, and many abusers use social media such as messenger apps while on video calls to manipulate the child for abuse. OSEC is a crime to destroy the dignity and future of the child, so it is important that we understand how to happen to protect the child or family. This type of crime leaves a trauma that the child can carry for life, so it is important that we understand how OSEC happens so that this crime does not happen, and to prevent and protect children from this type of abuse, because this type of abuse is silent and it is kept secret and socially happens right inside the home. To combat this type of violence, it is important to have knowledge as the first step to prevent OSEC and to ensure that children grow up safe and free from this type of exploitation.
Parents, did ever think or wonder about your children's safety online? The issue is bigger than many realize. Globally, more than 85 million reports of child sexual abuse material were received by NCMEC in a single year. Children as young as 8 to 12 are increasingly targeted through games, social media, and messaging apps. In some countries, including parts of Southeast Asia, law enforcement consistently reporting rising cases of live-streamed sexual exploitation, often driven by financial pressure. Communities should watch for children if they receiving unexplained money or gadgets, hiding their online activity, communicating with unknown adults, or showing sudden behavior changes. Families can protect children by keeping devices in shared spaces, setting privacy controls, monitoring online use, and talking openly about online safety. Stay alert, report suspicious behavior immediately, and use official hotlines, cybercrime units, social welfare service, or in-app reporting tools to help stop OSEC and protect children.
You're not alone. If you or someone you know in passing abuse or violence, call the Link Police Hotline at 0919777377 to reach the PNP Human Children Protection Center. For legal help, dial the NBI, the BAWC, Dix at 0285256028. If you need emotional or mental support, call the NCMH Crisis Hotline 1553, Landline or 0917-899-8727 mobile. Reach out to talk to a friend, a teacher, or someone you trust. Help is real, and you deserve to feel safe.
We are not alone. While the crisis may seem overwhelming, it is manageable. When neighbors, families, and communities unite, we create a safety net for those most at risk and a beacon of hope that drives away the darkness.